Hear about the walk-off by Vegas today?
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
They won the game.
Yeah, the Mariners just broke their 8-game losing streak.
I know, and they snapped a great win.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. I don't feel right now.
I know.
Feels like someone's stalking me.
I know, right?
Yeah. Someone's about to punch me. Something. Yeah.
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 Feels pretty weird.
Oh, Cody! What happened? What happened? CPR. Are you awake? What happened? Oh, poison.